Had a way to make it work and find another route.
Hindi na naman tayong kumuha nun eh. Pero hindi siya kami wala, sa mga lago, Luis Gandol. Dilit ako.
Hello, baby. Oh, hi. Hello. Kain siya. Chicken and
Chicken and chicken.
with rice. Beautiful eyes, B. Beautiful. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Us. B, beautiful eyes ulit. B. Enzo. Beautiful eyes. Lulululula.
Life's good.
Mag-vlogger muna ako. Lunch today. Uy, bakit pumunta ka doon? Bakit ka umatras? Umatras siya. Okay. For today's video. Charan.
Hindi ko alam kung...
ano siya, ma'am? Parang nag-slim ngayon. Nagtipid ba sila?
Happy wedding anniversary, Mama and Papa. Thank you, love you. Happy anniversary.
I've been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. But now I realize you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about you makes me wanna be with you for a long time. Do ba do be do ba do be do 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 day. Do ba do be do ba do be do 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 day.
Smile, good morning. Obviously. Yan o siya. Talaga. Sige, buksan mo na yun sa'yo.
Wala, hindi maangka.
Tinidor lang daw sa'yo. Wala ka daw rice.
Ay, gano'n.
Tinidor.
Ayun o, may kutsara ako doon.
Naka 50% kasi.
20% ka daw kaya wala ka daw
Uy, ang
kutsara.
sama niyo. Ang dami ng computation. Sabi ko, thank you po. Wala akong naintindihan doon.
Ako din. Sabi ko,
Maliwanag pa yun sa maliwanag. Sa araw.
Sabi ko, 50% lang naman. Bakit ang computation?
Pretending. Pretending. Ano po sa bike? Yes. Tapos na ang pagpangga. Thank you, Mami. Mami. Lamig na lamig.
Lamig na lamig din ako eh.
Happy birthday, tita.
Where's the cake?
ay naku, sinabi ko sa'yo kami lalaro sa labas.
Did you go? Did you went to gym? Surprise! Baka nasa ibang box. Ikaw talaga kailangan magbukas kasi you are the birthday girl. Fly by the butterfly. Oh! Ayun lang yung ban. And the muffin.
Your performance.
Opa! Opa, health service.
I need just like the video. It's attendance. Opa card. Card na ka ba?